Healthcare appealed because I liked the idea of being part of a community and working to care for people. We all have people in our lives who have had both positive and negative experiences with healthcare, and there's so much room there to really make a difference in people's lives. So for me, pharmacy is all about working with people, getting to interact with people, getting to talk to people, listening to people, and figuring out if there are things that I can do to actually help and improve their care and hopefully make a difference in their quality of life. So my ideal pharmacy is a small town independent pharmacy that's really focused on community, where you have people come in and it's not even just about like picking up a prescription, it's about having a conversation with your friends and neighbors, and it feels very open, very neighborhood focused, very community focused. UNE has really put a focus on learning to work in teams and teams with other healthcare workers, which I think is exactly what's going to happen when you go out and work in the field. And there are so many opportunities to do that here. So one of the most rewarding programs that I've been involved in at UNE is the Cup Scholars program, care for the underserved populations, and we work in teams with comm students and PA students and dental students and students from all the different healthcare disciplines. I think for me, it's all about building up a lot of little things. Everybody has little things that they can do every day to make a difference. And when you bring all of those little things together, it adds up to something much bigger. I always feel hopeful when I'm working with other people who are excited like I am, who are working hard like I am, and trying to do good things.